You might be wondering, what is a Bob Ross painting worth? Or what is the most expensive Bob Ross painting out there? Would you believe a painting is up for sale for just shy of $10 million? Now just remember, that's the price for this Bob Ross painting. That doesn't validate what it's worth, but let's dive into it. Ryan Nielsen, who owns and operates Modern Artifact Gallery, is selling Bob Ross's first painting he ever did on PBS, titled A Walk in the Woods. Now this is Bob Ross's first painting that he ever did on PBS that was televised out, and it's nothing great, and most people will tell you that. The owner and operator of the gallery actually sums it up perfectly.
I see the person, I see Bob, I see the encouragement that he gave the world, that anybody can be anything.
I think each of us sometime during our life has wanted to paint a picture. I think there's an artist hid in the bottom of every single one of us. And here we will try to show you how to bring that artist out, to put it on canvas, because you too can paint almighty pictures.
Bob Ross all gave us the feeling that we too could paint and make beautiful masterpieces. The first season of The Joy of Painting was filmed in Fall Creek, Virginia, and the painting from Ross's first show was sold months later to help raise funds for the local PBS station. A volunteer at the station bought the painting for an undisclosed price and hung it in her home for 39 years until getting in touch with Nielsen, who has bought and sold more than 100 Ross works.
There he comes. These little son of a guns hiding your brush, and you just have to push him out.
Now obviously this $10 million price target is a media stunt to get more people into the gallery, but if it gets more people to observe Bob and his artwork, I say it's fine. It will be interesting and it will validate the price if it does sell for $10 million, but I doubt that it will. I wish we knew from the article and the sources that I could find, what are the other prices Mr. Nielsen has sold Bob Ross's paintings at? That would give us a valid price of what Bob Ross paintings are truly worth in a market where people have paid for them.
Next week, we're looking forward to seeing you. We hope you have your brush ready, a dream in your heart that you want to put on canvas. And join us right here for the joy of painting. And you too can build fantastic pictures. You can take them from here and put them on there. Until next week, happy painting from all of us here.
If you guys enjoyed this type of video and you want more history on Bob Ross, or you want to know how to paint exactly like the almighty Bob Ross, you should follow my channel, and when you go down below, you can hit that subscribe button to see awesome videos. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I'll put a couple videos over to the side of Mr. Bob Ross, and we will catch you all later. Take care, and of course, peace.